Welcome to Tech Geek. The demand of the situation has always invited new inventions. In fact, what is even the history of mankind without the invention of gadgets? Presenting to you, the world's coolest tents in 2020. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Number 1. Flying tent. You can use the flying tent as floating tent between two trees, as well as a bivy tent on the ground. By removing the upper section using the zipper on the side, you can easily turn the flying tent into a traditional hammock. The optional use of the hammock as rain poncho protects you from bad weather conditions. Number 2. Bubble tree tent. Tent. Everyone knows that it is necessary to go out to travel. The general tent is the old style tent. Now there's a whole new tent. This tent is transparent. Also belongs to the inflatable type. This transparent inflatable tent is suitable for outdoor sports, and can also be used in the outdoor wedding party. Number 3. Swag tent. A swag is a traditional Australian canvas bed roll with a mattress inside. Basically, it is a large sleeping bag with a built-in mattress. Essentially looking like a small one-person tent, these swags zip up the entire way, covering your whole body including your head. Number 4. Nano Cure Tent. The world's very first self-healing tent. The Nano Cure Tent has water-resistant nylon ripstop, along with resealing and repairing abilities. On its own, nylon ripstop is immensely durable. However, when it's combined with Imperial Motion's special double-sided coating, along with the heat of your fingers, small holes and punctures can be restored. Additionally, the reinforced fibers of the ripstop will also create further reinforcement and support around the hole, aiding in its repairability. This ultralight tent also has mesh ventilation windows, a rainfly canopy and a tarpaulin bottom, so you can sleep easy knowing that there won't be any moisture seeping through. Imperial Motion's 4-person capacity tent is also super easy to set up and take down because it has less parts, so you can save some time and enjoy more of nature. Number 5. Camping Cube Tent. The Camping Cube Tent is a spacious and easy to set up camping accessory product for you, your family and next fun trip. The Camping Cube Tent sets up in seconds, turning your existing Easy Up shelter into a camping haven. Or, build your own custom Camping Easy Up shelter and camping cube setup from scratch, shelter not included. Fast and easy setup, perfect for any camping trip. We hope you liked our video. Comment down your favorite tent invention of all these. Subscribe for more of our videos on your feed. If you liked our content, don't forget to click on the like button. Thanks for watching.